Actually, the hottest part of flame is not the luminous part of the flame. It is actually the non-luminous part of the flame. Okay, all right. We might feel like hottest part must be the yellow part, right? Luminous means the yellow part, right? Yellow color, bright yellow color part of the flame is known as luminous part of the flame. Okay, and can you tell me about the three zone, and which zone out of these three are or you can say which part of these three, out of these three zone is luminous part? Middle zone, right? Bright yellow to yellow color. Okay, and what is the, if you want to say about what is the color part, color element of the non-luminous zone? Outermost blue. Okay, blue to somewhat white color type of thing. Okay, but white color is not like some white paint. Okay, it will be not visible like that. Okay, so it is termed as non-luminous part. Okay, and generally we represent this part like this is the innermost part, right, and this is the middle part, right, and this is the non-luminous part, right, and it is the hottest part. Okay, it almost reaches a temperature of 1000 to 1400 degrees Celsius. Okay, 1000 to 1400 degree Celsius. Is that fine? All right. Now let us discuss one more part. Take a look at this thing. Okay. Can you identify the innermost zone?
Innermost will be the wax part.
Yes, just near, bilkul, you can say like it is just outside the wick part, right? The wick which is actually carrying the fuel, just near to that is that part which is actually unburned, right? Unburned wax vapors are present there. It is the coolest zone, right? It is the coolest zone of the flame, right? And in terms of volume, if you want to say which is the biggest part of the out of these two zones, then which part will be the biggest part? Middle zone, right? Because middle zone is the thing which we can visibly it has blue color, right? Blue to dark like that. Okay, and which zone of the flame has or which zone of the flame undergoes complete combustion? Outer zone. Okay, so outer zone must be the hottest part. Okay, because complete combustion takes place in outermost zone, which is non-luminous part of the flame, of the candle flame. All right, we are talking about candle flame here. All right, you have to keep this thing in mind. Okay, okay, and one more thing is there. Do you remember what is the color of the flame which comes out of the gas stove? When LPG burns, LPG is also a fuel, right? When it burns, what is the color which we get?
Blue.
Blue. Don't you think it should be yellow?
Yellow.
Yeah.
No, yellow occurs when
Yes.
everything is burning,
Yeah.
and blue occurs when gas is burning.
Can you repeat your answer again?
We see yellow flame when we burn a combustible substance like paper or something else, and yellow flame when gas is burned.
Yellow flame when gas is burnt. Gas is burnt. All right.
No,
Okay.
blue.
Blue flame when gas is burnt. Do you mean like solid, liquid, and gaseous state of the fuel? Do you mean like
Yes.
that? All right, it is not actually based on that. Okay, actually, why is the color of middle part, middle zone yellow?
Color of the middle zone yellow.
Yellow, yeah.
Because it is the partially burning part.
Correct, correct. One part is correct. Complete combustion doesn't take part in, it doesn't take place in the middle zone. Okay, complete combustion, complete oxidation of the fuel is actually happening in the outermost zone of flame.